everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So starting out the day, worked on taking out some duct detectors, which took a while. It's a really tight, cramped space. Had to remove a can light to be able to open up the ceiling tile. So I took out 2 duct detectors right here back to back. As you can see, our new duct detectors are still up right here. Took out the old indicator lights, which is in this flex on each of those. So I had to open up these duct detectors and put them back together with the new indicator light wires, or well, reusing the same indicator light wires and replacing the indicator light out in the hallway. And here is the troubles that came in. Every time we opened one, it created a trouble. When we put it back together, it went out. So incoming trouble and then outgoing trouble once it was done being out of trouble. So everything was good. And then from there, Steven showed me some stuff in Bluebeam for a little bit, give my foot a rest. And then we hurried up to help out our other coworker do this emergency department remodel. Basically, we had to get out of the walls, so we basically just piped everything above the ceiling. Flex just did everything really, really quickly just to get out of the walls. There's going to be plugs on each side with data in the middle, so we just did some flex and pulled some strings to be able to pull some wire into there later. So now we are good to go. Everything's out of the sheetrock and they can sheetrock the walls. And then here is more of our demo that we took out this morning. I don't know if we cleared the cart this morning. I think we cleared the cart to the end of the day yesterday. So this was all from today or today and yesterday or today and halfway of yesterday. I can't remember. Anyways, took out a bunch more wire, a bunch of duct detectors. And that pretty much wraps up my day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Like I said, last day of the year. Not working tomorrow because it's snowing, and we're not working all of next week. So hopefully I can bring out some content for you guys, keep you guys entertained, learning, all that good stuff. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next new year. And don't forget to subscribe to my new YouTube channels in the link tree down below. I'd appreciate it, and hopefully you guys enjoy those new channels. God bless. Once again, peace.